Kundal Dam, the queen of dams, is one of the large of all small dams in Pakistan. The most beautiful dam, surrounded by lush green mountains. This dam is situated in district Sawabi, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It's on 10-kilometer drive from Sawabi city. The famous villages around Kundal Dam are Panjiman, Bhabeni, Khadra and Gajai. This dam was completed in 2015 by the Ministry of Water and Power Directorate General Small Dams KPK. The purpose of Kundal Dam is to supply water for irrigation, to fertile barren land, to control flood, and to fulfill water scarcity and area. In addition to all these purposes, this dam was also aimed to be fish farming in order to boost food industry. The total capacity of this dam is 11,755 acre feet. The dam is 48 meter high, having length of 320 meter, whereas the dead level of the dam is 467 meter. The water in the lake is so pure and fresh that it looks like a crystal jelly. The dam was designed and supervised by MS Consulting Associate Peshawar, and the irrigation system was designed by engineer Salahuddin. That is consist of 3 inverted siphon and many aqueduct of fall structure. The capacity of main canal is 54 cubic. The government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has recently declared this dam as a tourist point. Unfortunately, during the monsoon season in 2019, the flood has damaged the spillway of the dam. Running water has created many rapids on the surface of spillway. The pressure of the water has turned the spillway into gorge at some points. In the lower part of spillway, the mud has taken away by erosion of water. As a result, beautiful small waterfall appear. These waterfalls on spillway attracted the local picnickers. If you ever happen to visit this dam, please do not swim in the water and don't throw plastic wrappers and other garbages in the water or around.